Hello children, today we are going to see continuation of our third lesson. In this class we are going to learn about fruits. Children, are you fond of fruits? Yes, my favorite fruit is apple. What's your favorite fruit, children? Okay. Why should we eat fruits? Because all the fruits are contains vitamins and minerals. Fruits keep us healthy. So, we should eat all the kinds of fruits. Fruit is the fleshy part of a plant. There are many kinds of fruits. Now let's see their varieties. Most fruits change their color when they ripen. For example, mango, guava, papaya and banana. Some fruits are fleshy. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of fleshy? The pulp of the fruit is called fleshy. Now look at this picture. Papaya, strawberry, kiwi and chiku. Chiku means sapota. These are some examples for the fleshy fruits. Some fruits are juicy because in these fruits there will be more water content like lemon, watermelon, orange and muskmelon. Some fruits are small in size like grapes, jujube. Jujube means ilandai and berries. Some fruits are big in size like watermelon and jackfruit. Some fruits are sour or tangy in taste like lemon and gooseberry. Some fruits are sweet like banana, custard apple and chiku. Some fruits are both sweet and sour taste like grapes, pineapple and kiwi. Children, now look at this picture. These are some examples for dry fruits. They are dates, raisins and figs. Fruits are grown in orchards. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of orchards? Orchards means fruit garden. Children, now look at this picture. What do you observe here? Yes, always wash fruits and vegetables before you eat. Thank you, children.